Hello everyone, John Price here at E.C.D Automotive Design down in Kissimmee, Florida. We have a brand new 2024 calendar coming out soon, and want to share with you what our top 2023 trucks were that will be enclosed, of course, in that material. So again, super exciting year, of course, with some amazing vehicles coming off the line for us here. And first of all, I want to start with Project Georgica. This is a Defender 110 convertible in Arliss blue with black accents. It looks absolutely stunning, and that's going to make the cover actually of our calendar for next year. Now for the month of January, we have Oliver Plaid, an amazing looking Range Rover Classic with a beautiful Bentley green exterior and a tan interior, and also some amazing plaid work that went all over the interior of the vehicle. Looks absolutely stunning. Now for the month of February, we have Project Wendy Lee. Now Wendy Lee was a very interesting concept. It's a very heritage looking Defender 110 in the outside, but in the inside it's got this plush Recaro seats, absolutely beautiful leather throughout the car, and it gives you that wow factor when you open the door and get into the vehicle as well. Now for the month of March, we have Project Pivot, which is a stunning looking Defender 110 soft top, and probably one of the boldest vehicles that we built in a while. It's a sunrise orange exterior with a light tan interior, but the combination looks absolutely stunning. Now for the month of April, we have Andromeda. It's probably one of my favorite builds of all time. Absolutely stunning looking exterior and edible berries metallic paint color that looks like nothing else, and that was definitely a very special build for us here as well. The month of May, we have Project ACK40. Actually happened to be a present for someone's birthday and came out absolutely amazing as well. It's got this eggshell satin exterior in white with black interior accents all throughout the car, and the combination, although it looks very traditional and very clean, it's an absolutely stunning vehicle as well. Now for the month of June, we have Fortuna. Now, Fortuna was a very interesting project. It's a Series 3 from a client who sourced his own vehicle. He came originally from Costa Rica, and we actually mimicked some of the design styling cues from that era and brought it to life. And the best thing about it is a 6-speed manual transmission on an LS3 Corvette engine. This thing absolutely flies. Now, for the month of July, we have Project White Diamond, an absolutely gorgeous Defender 90 hardtop. We mimicked the Carpathian gray color scheme from a modern 2023 model, and it's got the satin paint finish in the middle. Rooftop and wheel spats are in gloss black, and it just looks amazing. Then for the month of August, we actually had Project Gables. Now Project Gables is a traditional Range Rover Classic with a Brooklands body kit that makes it slightly more modern looking, 20-inch Mondale retro style wheels painted in silver, which really make them pop. The interior is absolutely stunning with a tan leather and black piping all around, and I think it's probably one of the most beautiful and clean and elegant Range Rover Classics that we've done in a while. Now for September, we have Project John Galt, an absolutely amazing looking Defender 110 as well. Very robust with 20-inch custom wheels, Cornish cream exterior, in a sense very traditional, but at the same time bringing that modern feel with a tubular bumper frame and winch, black roof, and the interior has some Recaro Sportster CS seats that look absolutely amazing in the car. So this is a perfect balance between a retro and a modern looking vehicle as well. For the month of October, we have the Palm Beach Commission. It happens to be our first ECD custom E-Type to make it to our calendar. It's an absolutely beautiful car, silver exterior, tan interior, manual transmission, original V12 retooled engine that sounds glorious, and it's definitely something that's going to catch a lot of people's attentions. Now in the month of November, we have Project Margot, which is not only a stunning looking vehicle with an Aston Martin Debonair Rosso exterior, but also happens to be our first D90 with a second generation EV platform. Now in the month of December, we have Project Grover. Now Grover has a very interesting history behind it. It's a vehicle that was brought to us by its owner, and essentially we dismantled the vehicle down to the frame, rebuild it, and he asked us to take a Series 2A that he owned and turn it more into a Series 3. So it's a little bit of a hybrid in between the two models, but it's got a lot of modern conveniences, proper AC system. It's a stunning two-tone dark and light blue color exterior, and once you see it, you'll see what we get so excited about Project Rover. Now, on the back cover of the calendar, which closes things up for the year, we have Project Stinky. It happens to be a super interesting Range Rover classic. We've never done an all-this blue and black vehicle like this, and I think that the combination of black accents and the tan interior looks absolutely amazing, unlike anything else we've done before. Now, as you can see, we had a super exciting 2023. We cannot wait to see what 2024 is going to bring, which I can guarantee you that it will be a lot of excitement, a lot of new products, and many more ECD customs coming your way. If you are interested in finding out more about how to build one with us, you know where to find us. We'll be happy to help anytime.